Hello everybody! Welcome back to another episode of the Katie Adventures.
Happy New Year!
The first video of 2020.
Exciting stuff.
Yeah, we're getting straight into it. We're going to go over another Disney tips and tricks video, although this one isn't really like a tip and trick.
It's more like just what's happening in the park through 2020, which is quite a lot of stuff.
Yeah, there's quite a fair bit going on. A lot of construction. There's a lot of stuff that's going to be happening after this year. Next year is the 50th anniversary of Walt Disney World, so there's a lot happening next year. But we're going to be discussing about all the things that are being constructed this year and all the updates that are to come. So, let's get straight into it. So we're going to start off with the biggest transformation that's going to be happening this year at Walt Disney World, and that is Epcot. I could go on for ages, but I'm just going to go over the main bits that are going to be happening. So first of all, the whole of the front entrance is going to be redesigned.
I find that really sad though, because a lot of people have like done the legacy thing.
Yeah,
which
the Leave a Legacy.
Did,
yeah.
And you guys did that as like a family, so what's going to happen with that?
I don't actually know what's happening with them. I don't know if they're being... I think they might be relocated to somewhere else in the park, but I'm not too sure. And they've already begun work on that front entrance, so already construction walls have gone up. So yeah, it's going to be really good though, like when it's all done. But as I said, it's going to be probably 2021 that it's all done. So there's not a lot to see this year, but as I said, a lot of construction.
So are they going to have the 3-level festival? Centre?
Yeah, so we've got a 3-level festival centre. That's going to be at the entrance of the park, I believe.
Wow.
So yeah, exciting.
That's really exciting. It's just really sad about Leave a Legacy because so many people have done it, and I used to love like going into Epcot and just seeing all these spires,
hundreds and hundreds. So I don't know what's happening with them. I don't think they get rid of them. I don't know what the plans are.
I mean, if people have actually bought that as well, it's a bit tricky for them to actually just get rid of it. Yeah,
I don't know. I've not really looked into it that much. All I know is I'm in there somewhere. So if you find me, take a photo and send it in. But if you do find me, that'll be like crazy because there's hundreds and hundreds.
We managed to find it.
We did. Yeah, it's because we spent like a good hour looking for every single picture.
Yours wasn't. What made it harder is that yours wasn't even a picture. It was literally just the writing of all your names.
To be honest, that made it a bit easier because we had ours done a long time ago, so I wouldn't have been able to recognise those pictures.
No.
So we just had the names. We found it though.
Yeah, we did.
And in fact, I'll put the photo right here, just for you to see.
If you know what's happening with the Leave a Legacy, let us know, because we don't know. So maybe you guys know something that we don't.
Yeah, let us know in the comments down below. Okay, so Spaceship Earth, that's going to get a complete redesign. That's not going to be coming this year, but I believe that we're going to start doing it all this year. So that means that Spaceship Earth may close this year for a couple of years, possibly.
Yeah.
And it's been rumoured it might be closed for 2 years. So that's kind of sad, but a reimagined Spaceship Earth is going to be amazing once it's actually done.
I think it does need it as well, because when we went on it, it's so old and like you can feel how old it is. Like,
but that's the magic of it.
Yeah, but it kind of hurts to be on it. Like when it's taking you up, you're like, oh Jesus!
The best thing is the little videos you get at the end of Spaceship Earth with the.
Oh my god! It can never detect my face properly though. Like when we did it,
everybody's face comes out horrendous on Spaceship Earth.
I had like no eyes.
Yeah.
I think I was just like literally no eyes and just like my face like. Hey.
Well, it's time though. That's really good.
Yeah,
so,
definitely.
A reimagined Spaceship Earth, it's going to be incredible. But as I said, that's not coming this year. But it may close down this year for all that to take place. So look out for that. We may not have a Spaceship Earth this year when we go.
It feels weird saying that we're going this year.
I know. It's weird. June. Exciting. So a brand new nighttime spectacular is going to debut this year, I believe. It is called Harmonious.
Fancy.
And it's apparently going to be the biggest nighttime spectacular in Walt Disney World history. It's going to be massive.
What, even bigger than like Happy Ever After?
Yeah. Bigger than Happy Ever After.
You can't get bigger than Happy Ever After though.
This is going to be insane. It's going to have everything. It's going to have lasers. It's going to have... Oh, it's just going to be insane. So look out for that one. It's going to be called Harmonious. They've got another nighttime spectacular at the moment called... Okay, so it's called Epcot Forever. That one is just a temporary show, but apparently that's really good as well. But this new show is coming, Harmonious. It's going to be the biggest one in Walt Disney World history. So that's going to be good. That's going to be really good. Exciting. I don't know when it's coming, but it's going to be huge.
Stay tuned.
Stay tuned for that one. So yeah, Epcot Forever, that replaced the Illuminations, which was loved by many. But yeah, this new show is going to be awesome. So I'm looking forward to it.
Nice.
Okay, so a new restaurant is coming to Epcot next to Mission Space, and that is the Space 200 restaurant, I believe it's called. That's expected to open next month in February. It's going to be amazing. So you've got, it's going to feature internationally inspired cuisine, and it's going to also have 1,000 bottles of wine, I believe, and craft beer. Very fancy. Very fancy. So that's also something to look out for next month, I believe, in February.
Oh wow, so it'll be open before we go.
Yeah.
Crackle, 1,000 open for me.
So in terms of new attractions, we've got Guardians of the Galaxy Cosmic Rewind coming, but that's not going to open until 2021. Going to be a lot of construction going on with that. That's going to be really good. Really looking forward to that one. Mm-hmm. That's something to look out for. But also this year we've got the Ratatouille, Remy's Ratatouille Adventure. So
I don't know how I feel about that ride.
We have mixed thoughts. Well, in Disneyland Paris, I don't know if it's going to be lit. I believe it's going to be like the one in Disneyland Paris. We're not big fans of that ride.
I don't know if we just got a bad run.
Yeah.
It wasn't great.
It wasn't anything exciting. Like, so if you look at the other rides that have opened recently at Walt Disney World, like Smuggler's Run and Rise of the Resistance, with Remy's Ratatouille Adventure, if it's like the one in Paris, it's not going to be as good as those from the looks of things. What were your thoughts on that?
I think it's the same ride concept as
Rise of
Resistance.
Yeah.
So it's literally like a cart that's not... It's trackless,
trackless ride, yeah.
Yeah, so it's kind of like that with a story like running around the track.
Ratatouille, yeah.
But it's just not...
Yeah. Looking at Rise of Resistance, that one looks
really
a lot better than
really good.
The Ratatouille ride. That's if it is like the one in Paris. It might be completely different, I don't know.
It might be, yeah, but from...
It looks the same though.
Yeah.
So we'll see.
It does look the same, but just from what we got when we went to Paris, it wasn't amazing.
A lot of people do like it though, so it's down to personal preference.
Maybe it's just us.
Yeah, it might be us. Like, I'm more into coasters and thrill rides, so...
It could just
It might be your thing. We'll just have to find out, won't we? So Remy's Ratatouille Adventure is opening in summer of this year.
Whee! We might catch it.
We might do. We might. If we catch it, we'll give you our thoughts.
Yes.
And tell you if it's better than Disneyland Paris.
Hopefully it is.
So there's massive things to come at Epcot, mainly after this year. But this year there's going to be a lot of construction going on to look out for.
I just hope that all of this construction doesn't affect the park, because sometimes if you go into a park and you've been waiting all year to go, and then you go and it's just full of walls and construction.
Construction, yeah. It does kind of ruin the magic a little bit.
It makes it a little bit busier as well, I think, because people can't actually get to where they want to go, because there's like diversions and stuff. So
yeah.
Hopefully they do it in a way where it's like it doesn't affect things as much. That makes sense.
Having said that though, I think because there's a lot coming in 2021 with the 50th anniversary, it is going to make the parks a little more quiet this year.
Possibly.
So hopefully it's not too busy when we go. We'll find out though. I'm sure it's still going to be busy.
Yeah.
But it might be a little less busy than it will be in 2021. But we'll do a video on that in the next tips and tricks video, discussing if you should wait until 2021. So look out for that one. And make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring that notification bell so you do not miss any tips and tricks videos or vlogs here at the KD Adventures.
You do not want to miss our time at Disney, because it's going to be really good.
Fun.
Yeah.
Fun. Okay, so Magic Kingdom. The big one for Magic Kingdom is Tron.
So highly anticipated.
Yeah.
So highly anticipated. I can't wait.
It's going to be so good. However, this is also going to be open in 2021 around the 50th anniversary of Walt Disney World, which is happening in October, I believe. So, still got to wait a while for Tron, but the construction for it is already looking insane.
It's really come on from videos that we've seen. There's literally like walls up now, isn't there?
The coast is built, I believe. The walls are going up. So there's a lot of work going on for Tron, but because it's such an insanely big ride, it's going to take a long time to build it. But once it's done, it's going to be one of the biggest rides in the world. Like,
we like Tron. I'm really excited for this. Like, ever since you told me that we was going to Florida, like the first time, I was watching loads of ride videos and I was just mesmerised by Tron.
It's amazing. It looks amazing.
It looks so good.
So having one in Orlando, it's going to be amazing.
I can't wait.
But it's also going to be super busy.
Yeah, but you know what? It's fine.
It's worth it though. It's worth it.
It is so worth it.
But
All the rides are busy anyway, so...
That's true. That's true.
However, like 120 minute or plus wait is like no for me.
Yeah, that Rise of Resistance wait's going to be... I don't know what it's like now. I need to look more into it, but I can imagine Rise of Resistance is pretty crazy right now. And that's about it for Magic Kingdom. There's not a lot going on, but just expect maybe some new shows, new bits, new food, just the usuals.
Nice.
Yeah.
Lovely.
Yeah, Magic Kingdom. Okay, so Hollywood Studios. A lot of the work for Hollywood Studios happened last year in 2019. So there's not loads going on this year. There's one big thing happening, but yeah, a lot of stuff's already happened. So all the Galaxy's Edge stuff, so Rise of Resistance, Smuggler's Run, that all happened last year, and it's doing very well, very well indeed.
Really well.
And we've not been on the ride yet. We are going to be going on this year, but from videos we've seen, they look
so good. They look absolutely
out
amazing.
of this world, literally.
Yeah.
They look insane. I can't wait.
No, I can't either.
I'm going. I don't care how long it takes to get on Rise of Resistance.
We will wait the whole day.
I will. It just looks incredible. If you've been on the ride, let us know how it is in the comments below. But I'm sure it's amazing.
Yeah.
Yeah. So yeah, that all happened last year. So there's not loads going on this year. We've got a new restaurant, I believe, coming to Toy Story Land. It's the Roundup Rodeo Barbecue Table Service Restaurant, I believe. So
Does sound good.
that's a cool little update coming to the park. But the biggest one coming to Hollywood Studios is coming in March, and that is Mickey and Minnie's Runaway Railway. Yes! I'm getting better at saying it.
It's really, like, it's hard for me.
There's a lot of R's.
Yeah,
and
it's a mouthful.
But yeah, that's going to be insanely good. It's expected to be a really good ride. That good that they're actually looking at putting it into Disneyland already. So they're looking at building that in Disneyland. So
exciting stuff.
So yeah, that's not just an update for Walt Disney World. It's a little Disneyland update for you. Mickey and Minnie's Runaway Railway coming fairly soon.
Excited.
But yeah, that's happening in March. So stay tuned for that, because that's going to be amazing, and I can't wait to go on it.
No, I can't either. Honestly, I just can't wait.
Okay, so we're going to finish off with Animal Kingdom. There's not a lot going on at all with Animal Kingdom, I believe. I've not heard anything really. It's mainly on Epcot, the updates for this year. So Animal Kingdom, it's just the usual, but it's amazing as it is. They don't need to do anything to Animal Kingdom at the moment.
No, I feel like the whole land of Pandora is just like the main part of Animal Kingdom anyway.
That's the main the main thing.
Yeah.
That's still new kind of Pandora, isn't it? Still amazing. However, Rise of the Resistance in Hollywood Studios, I believe that may make those lines go down now for Pandora. I'm not too sure if that is true, but I can believe that will be the case.
Yeah, I imagine so.
Yeah, like the Flight of Passage, that's still one of the most amazing rides I've ever been on.
It's really good.
It's insanely good. So if you've ever been on that, you'll know it's one of the best rides out there.
And the queue times are always ridiculously long for that.
So hopefully Rise of Resistance will bring those crowds away.
Yes.
Yeah, but that's about it for Animal Kingdom. Not a lot to say really. I'm sure there might be some new little bits go off. But yeah, Animal Kingdom. So just a quick update on the resorts. There's a lot of refurbishments going on at some other resorts and construction. But there's also a new Star Wars Galactic Star Cruiser resort being built, which is going to be insane. Another insane thing being built.
Sounds
like
amazing.
there's so much going on. That's going to be really good. We don't know if it's going to be open this year or next year, but it's definitely something to look out for because it's going to be amazing. We've also got the Disney Skyliner, even though that was last year. It's still fairly fresh, so that's another big thing for 2020. So looking forward to going on that as well in June.
Yeah, me too. It'll make it a lot easier to actually transport.
Yeah, getting around. Yeah, because we don't drive as well, so it makes it a lot easier. Makes it a lot easier to get around. So yeah, that's about it for this video. Just a few of the updates that are coming this year in 2020. As I said, there's a lot coming in 2021 and after that as well. So there's just a lot of construction going on this year.
Yeah.
Especially with Epcot. There's just so much.
I just hope it doesn't affect the park too much.
Yeah, I'm sure it'll be okay.
It's quite a big park, to be fair.
Yeah, it's a huge park. It's a massive park.
Yeah.
So if you are visiting this year, just be aware there's going to be a lot of that construction going on. As I said in a future video, we're going to be doing, is it best to visit in 2020 or wait until 2021? So we're going to be discussing if it's worth waiting or not. But that's about it for this video. We really hope you've enjoyed it. If you liked it, make sure to hit that like button, and if you're feeling extra cheeky, hit the subscribe button. Ring the notification bell so you don't miss a single thing.
You do not want to miss the tips and tricks because we are popping them out.
We're popping them out. So many tips and tricks to come this year. Not just for Disney World as well. We've got tips and tricks coming for Universal.
Yes, and I'm so excited for that.
Yeah.
I love Disney, but I also love
Universal.
Yeah.
So stay tuned for that. Thank you all for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.
Happy New